Consider the matrix A, and this matrix entries are row wise cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, where theta is equal to 2 pi upon 31. Then A raised to the power 2015 equals, for matrix which are given to us, and we have to find this matrix is equivalent to, which one matrix is equivalent to A raised to the power 2015. Now this type of problem can be solved by powers of a matrix, powers of a matrix, and this power of a matrix defined by, or integral power, positive integral power, specifically positive integral powers defined by product of matrix, product of matrices. So A raised to the power 2015 will be A raised to the power 2014 into A, and A may be either prefactor or post factor. It may be pre or post factor matrix. And also we can arrange this, if A is singular or non-singular, you can check that point, but here is no issue to consider this type. So A raised to the power 2015, to evaluate, first we generalize what A square is. Now matrix A is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Square means product of itself, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Now first row and first column, it will be cos square theta minus sin square theta, and second entry will be cos theta sin theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. This one will be cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, and this one will be minus sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now A square gives this matrix. It means cos 2 theta sin 2 theta, because of this is the formula of sin A plus B, and this one is negative of sin 2 theta, and this one is also cos 2 theta. Now it means A square is cos 2 theta sin 2 theta minus of sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Now A square gives this matrix. Then this is the problem of MCQ based problem. So consider A raised to the power 15 will be cos, and if you generalize this, A raised to the power n will be cos n theta sin n theta. You can check this one or verify by some values or mathematical induction. N theta minus of sin n theta cos n theta. So it will be cos 2 raised to the power 15 theta sin 2015 theta minus sin 2015 theta cos 2015 theta, and theta is given to us, which is equal to 2 pi upon 31. Now put this value, it will be cos 2015 2 pi upon 31 sin same argument, and this is minus of sin same argument, and cos same. So it will be, which one is giving? So divide 31 is cos divisor, and this is now this will go to 6 times. 6 1 is 6 and 6 3 is 18. Now subtract these 5, here 1 and this one 5. Now this will be 5 1 is 5 and 5 3 is 15. Okay. Now 65 is quotient. So this matrix is equal to or equivalent matrix of this one is cos 65 to the 130 pi, and this is minus sine 130 pi, and this is sine 130 pi, and this is cos 130 pi. We know the graph of sine and cos. So this is graph of sine. This is 1 pi. This is 1 pi and this is 2 pi. It means 3, 4. Sine even product of pi is 0 and cos this is 1. This is 2 pi. This is 2 pi. So cos even product of pi will be 1. So this matrix is equivalent to 1. This value 0. This one is minus cos even value of pi. So this is minus of 0 or simply 0, and this one is 1. It means identity matrix of identity matrix. This is identity matrix of correct size. So option B is right here. Option B, this one is right here. So what is the target to solve this problem? First, we generalize what powers of A gives and put the value, and sometimes it is we took help using values of sine or cos to find out the exact matrix.